Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can show and hide all the toolbars within Acrobat DC if desired. You can also show and hide the menu bar if needed. To show or hide all the toolbars, select View, Show Hide, Toolbar Items from the menu bar to show a side menu of choices, or simply right-click into the blank or empty area of the main toolbar to open a pop-up menu of choices. Then select either the Hide Toolbars or Show Toolbars command from the menu that appears. You can also press the keyboard shortcut of F8 on your keyboard to toggle the display of all the toolbars on and off. This can be useful to note in case you accidentally press the F8 key on your keyboard when working in Acrobat. You can also show or hide the menu bar by selecting View, Show Hide from the menu bar to show a side menu, or by right-clicking into the blank or empty area of the main toolbar to open a pop-up menu. Then select the Menu Bar command from the menu that appears to toggle its display on or off. Also, pressing the F9 key on your keyboard toggles the display of the menu bar both on and off. This is useful to remember in case you accidentally press the F9 key on your keyboard while working in Adobe Acrobat. It also helps to quickly show the menu bar after hiding it, as you cannot select the menu bar command from the menu bar after it is hidden.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.